This is what we do for pastime here. Why is that, Mom?
$50 bill. That's great because if you are, I'll pay the tax to get you a new phone.
No, I'm pretty sure I did.
We were just introducing ourselves to Grandma. She forgot who we were. That is not secure.
It'll float up. There it is.
Hey guys, help us out by smashing that like button below so that YouTube will help show our crazy family to more and more people.
I don't have common sense, Aunt Mary. I'm gonna dive like this. Like that.
Oh my gosh, I can't get it off. The problem is when I try to pull up, it's pulling my seat down. Thomas, turn around. I don't want to flash these strangers either. Watch out for the bull There we go.
You might have to edit this film.
Gary, you're gonna have to edit the film, okay?
And there's David. Are you going in the water?
Now we're going to do two versions.
Daddy, jump up.
Grandma shots, unedited, uncut. Hey, you know what else we're going to do? We're going to add a bunch of beeps in there whenever you talk. That'll get you some street cred. It'll be like beep.
And then as it goes, she's going to be waiting.
That time Grandma fought with a pontoon boat. What I don't like about section water is getting cold and hot at the same time.
Yeah, but that's what makes it kind of
Ellen, you got to come out here to the edge.
Yes.
Okay, don't anybody move because this whole thing is.
I don't like two different things. I'm having an earthquake. Oh. Oh, you're funny. Funny guy.
Oh. Can you go get my chair for me, please?
Dad!
It's the one with my water bottle next to it.
I need to record
Did
that
you hit
from
the
this
bottom?
angle.
Oh, you did hit bottom?
Yeah.
I need to record you from this angle.
Why?
Because that was hysterical.
You need to say some stuff, funny stuff.
Oh, okay.
Have a couple pauses in between, though. That'll make the beeping more believable.
Grandma's gone wild.
Have you ever seen the movie?
Kind of like your YouTube
No.
channel.
Tommy,
you haven't
show
got
it,
it, Tommy.
Tommy.
It is stopped.
Drew
Barrymore
too?
Like,
how do I work
It's
this
not
thing?
stopped, it's
Yeah,
still
Grandma,
going.
look
It's
at
still
the camera.
going.
Look at the camera.
It's still going.
There's a couple more paddles up in that little string room.
That's what I need. Hey, can Thomas, will you throw us those paddles?
Oh, it's like a train. Gary, you're the caboose.
How goes?
We gotta tow people
in.
out.
Okay, there's the front of it.
Nessie, was that you?
Okay, this is the redneck version of Nessie. They are trying to get the synchronization down right for the paddleboard part, which would be Nessie's head. And here's Ariel down here.
What?
That's a leaf. A leaf got her. Ariel, grab on the phone.
All right, y'all. So this is what we do for pastime here. I'm gonna take you around and show you what happened. Let's see what they're all up to. These three are in the water because my mom's phone fell into the lake water. How much do they get, Sarah, if they find it?
$50.
50 bucks. 50 bucks on the table.
$50 bill. $50 bill.
Why is that, Mom?
$50 bill.
Ariel, don't get water in that. That's not going to do you any.
That's from the
It's a straw. And she's using it as a straw.
How does it go one more time?
$50 bill.
What?
Sarah, are you okay?
What is going on?
Okay, watch out.
Hold on, give me a minute.
No, let him go ahead. Try Ariel.
All right, Dave, you got this.
That $50 is what happened.
50 bucks.
Couldn't they have gone under there?
Oh my gosh.
It could have, yeah. I got under there about maybe a couple feet, but it's just hard to feel around.
No, you didn't preface that earlier.
$100
Hey,
if it works.
one more time. What does Dave win if he finds it?
$50 bill. Oh man.
Let's
Are we
see.
taking turns now? Like, what are we doing?
Oh, wow. He's really staying down there.
You guys do this.
Hey, what about if it...
Call it
One
like
of
a
you go
Okay.
here, one of you go in the
No,
middle,
because
one
we're
of
going to be kicking each other.
We need to do one at a time because I keep getting beat at
spider
first.
One, two.
Hang on. Give him like 5 seconds to get down.
Hold on.
Ariel, don't go down at the same time.
Yeah, don't go at the same time because
Spread
you're
out
gonna
and
hurt
then
me.
work your way forward.
It's
Yeah,
just-
like
it's-
they do with a search party.
it's not
Start
as easy
there
as
and
it
My
sounds.
eye is burning.
Those are trained professionals.
You ready? Here.
These are people looking for $50.
2, 3.
Gary is calling the phone. It is still ringing in the voicemail. Oh, you know what, though?
It's gonna go anyways. 'cause
Yeah,
it's
I
not
would
going
go
through the
anyways
phone.
because it's through Verizon.
No, if it
Shut off, it goes
If
straight
it
to
was
voicemail.
dead, it
Okay.
wouldn't ring Okay, my at all. turn. It would go straight
No
to
luck?
Like 2 times.
All right. Winner, chicken dinner. Who's
Wait,
going
ring it
next?
on, don't ring it yet. Wait until I get down there.
And I'm just going to point out this is one of the big differences, y'all, between Florida and Texas.
I just want to point out
Is that color
by your
in the
mom.
water, and he just automatically thought it was the phone. Did you leave it in your car, Mom?
No, it was in the cup holder.
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
Just chill. Just chill. She's gonna kill us over $50. No, it's mine. It's like our own version of what's that game? Hunger Games, right?
Hunger Games, yeah. What was it called? I'll be the when she does that for her sister. I'll be the what?
Oh, tribute.
I'll be the tribute.
I volunteer for tribute.
Oh. Ouch. Oh, I almost fell in.
Lost my brick. I almost lost Becky's
Woo! That would have been bad.
Someone would have been there to like get it right away.
Connor, do you have any words of advice?
I'm feeling around.
Nothing?
Hopeless.
I don't.
Okay. Hannah, any words of advice?
Calm it down.
Hold your breath.
Hold your breath.
Underneath right there.
Okay.
I just want to hit my head and get jacked on this.
We still just,
Dude, if she finds us, it's gonna be a miracle. Let me take a selfie with my new friend.
He's pretty though, don't you get on my
That
foot.
thing is huge.
No, I guess that's not a wolf spider. It might be a variation.
Oh, don't go by my foot.
Oh, he's so cute.
Oh, please do not go in the water.
I should flick it.
No!
Do not flick it.
You were looking in on people, but you weren't letting them look in on you.
Grandma, I'll find your phone, okay?
Let's just think about this phone, this Samsung Galaxy 7 phone that you didn't want to part with. You cracked it and you kept it, which means it meant a lot to you. So, Grandma, I'd like you to take this opportunity
Can somebody
right
play
now.
taps?
I would like you to take this opportunity, Grandma,
Hey, aren't you
and I would like you to
eligible for an
say a
upgrade?
couple words about your beloved
Aren't you
phone.
eligible for an upgrade? Because if you are, I'll pay the tax to get you a new phone.
I don't really know where to start. It's just that phone has meant so much to me.
More tears.
Everything I
More
have
tears.
is on that phone.
Hey,
My contacts, my photos. I can't replace those.
don't forget that lovely sound that wakes you up every morning.
It is.
It's like the Lord saying, Ellen, it's time to get up and be blessed again today.
Morning dew.
All right.
Grandma,
All right, now Grandma, I just want you to take 3 steps forward real quick with me.